we've got a box of parts to go through today. Little short video, but I'm very excited. What's inside this box? Well, it's been on a little holiday to another collector and now it's back. So let's have a look at the treasures within. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? I have a box which has Dr. Sam Watson, repairer extraordinaire, written on the label, which is possibly a little bit overkill, but hey, I'm not going to complain. This box is from Mr. Hooverlux. Yes, if you haven't seen Hooverlux's channel, please do go and subscribe, because he puts all sorts of amazing stuff on there, including how he did this. Yes, as you can see from the title, this is the parts for the Hoover 725, which should look a lot cleaner. They do, because I've had a sneak peek. But I thought I would show you. So, what have we got? Hey, handsome. I hope this will be okay for you. I'm very impressed with how it turns out. All my love, Dorian. Ah, thank you, Dorian. Yes, you should be very impressed with how it's turned out, because in this box is some magnificently shiny pieces. Look, this is the top motor cover. It looked worse than that on the outside. It's come up amazingly well. That's so shiny. What else is there? Well, we have this is the actual motor shell. So this is what the armature sits in, and in fact that cap goes on top. And look at that. That is amazing. That is utterly astonishing. That is so shiny. In fact, it goes on something like that. So that's going to give us an idea of the quality. I'm getting fingerprints all over it already. I'm going to have to hand polish it again just to get my greasy mitts off of it. The bag slide has been cleaned up a little bit. That'll just need a little bit of a polish. He's sort of taken the proper crust off that, but not painted it, because we're not painting this machine, because it is just at the lovely patina stage. So that's our plan. Anyway, what else have we got? Oh, this is the vent cover for the motor housing. That's come up really well. That sits there, actually. So that's how that will look when it's on. So this is only a quick video. You'll see the full after, but I just couldn't resist. Now, this is actually a gift from Dorian to the person that this machine is for. It is a tool adapter, and it's going to be ever so easy to make a hose, make some sort of hose fit in there for use. You might even be able to get an old tool set, but there we go. Look, a pneumatic end pretty much fits in there straight away. So with the right hose to go over the top, that's going to be a very simple thing to do. Right, let's just try this hose over here. In fact, yes, I can get it on shot without pulling everything out of the box. Here we go. This red hose from a machine that you probably haven't seen yet, that goes in there a treat as well. Look, sneak peek there, look. So yeah, anything to go on this is going to be fine. Patents have been applied for, so it's all right. That's lovely. That is. This is Dorian borrowed that because he's got an old machine like this that was missing that piece, so I chucked that in the box so he could have a play with his. The Hoover makes rugs last longer. Right, oh, this is going to be exciting. This is the hood. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow, that is shiny, shiny, shiny Dorian. That is amazing. I mean, you can tell the bits that have seen wear because it's dimpled the metal, but that's fine because that's obviously the patina everything else is just astonishing. I mean, here, look, this is best to show you there, which hasn't really seen anywhere because of the way it's angled. That's a mirror finish. That is amazing. And this bit basically will sit on top of it like that. So I'm hoping this is coming out alright on the camera. I mean, I've got my light here just to... I do want it to throw reflections on it because then you can see the quality of this polishing work. It is astounding. And this is the last piece. Wow. The handle bail. Now, when I sent this to Dorian, it was covered in God knows what, I'll be honest. I was chipping stuff off of it myself. That has come up so well. Oh, knocked everything over. And that will sit roughly on here, like, oh, I've got to be so careful with this, like so. It's not sitting quite right because I need to wedge that under that camshaft there, but just for a quick overview, that is amazing. That is so good. That you can even see, you couldn't see this before, that is the original Hoover logo before all this beats as it sweeps as it cleans nonsense came along. That is the original Hoover coat of arms right there. Yeah, that is unbelievably good. I mean, this whole machine should come up very well indeed. It's not going to be a completely mint restoration, but that wouldn't suit it. It is more suited to just a nice, as good as it can be restoration, because you'll never get it, well, you would get it proper, but there's, for the person that wants it, that is just completely overkill. This is beautiful. It's missing its orange strip around there, but then the badge that sits on the top is also missing. It's worn down to its brass. So I'm really looking forward to how this is going to turn out. And basically this is tonight's job. Now that this is all back, I can get to putting it back together, because it has been sat around a little while, which is fine. Perfection of this quality takes time. So there we go. I have some bright and some not so bright. You can't even see that. There we go. Some bright and some not so bright, but perfectly fine. It's been polished. Hoover 725. There we go. He's even cleaned the bottom up a little bit, I think. 725. Next time you see this, it should be a full machine, although putting it back together with film in the after, it won't go live until the person that actually owns this machine. This video probably won't go live either. It's all going to be kept under wraps until the person that owns this machine has it back. And hopefully he'll do a video. Because I'm sure you can all guess where this is going. It's going to Manchester Vax, who has built quite a collection of vintage machines. He did a lovely video the other day of a junior and a senior, which you've seen on my channel, that he now owns. They did a pickup test. I'm trying to convince him to do a lot more, because he's got the machinery. He's got Phantoms and G-Techs and Sebo X7s, and I says, Stuart, you should do a Dyson G-Force versus Sebo X7 video, or this versus a Sebo X7, anything. We all like those nice comparison videos, but that is almost sensual. That is so smooth. I would love to be able to do work like this, and you probably could. Anybody could do it, but it takes experience to know how much to polish, where to put it, what not to touch, what compounds to use. Obviously Dorian collects Kirby's, so he's pretty flipping ideal for polishing stuff, and I'll be honest, I would much rather send it away and have it come back looking like this than buy all the kit and have to do it in the garden, because I don't have a lovely garage or home studio like Mr. Hooverlux does. He does spoil us. You get my films in my mother's spare bedroom. Mr. Hooverlux has a full studio. So there we go. I shall stop waffling on now, and hopefully this Hoover will make rugs last longer very soon. We shall find out once it's together and we do the after video. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.